Next example 1.37. Simplify and write the answers in exponential form. First question, 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. Second question is minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. So we need to simplify, then write the answer in exponential form. Exponential form means power form. So consider the first question, 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So first we can simplify here division. So we can write 3 power 5 divided by 3 power 8, both the number in common power, that is 5 into 3 power minus 5. So which is equal to, this is division. So a power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n, that is 5. This 8 to the 8 we can take to the numerator, that is minus 8 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So again we can simplify 3, 5 minus 8 we can subtract. So minus 3 the whole power 5 into 3 power minus 5. So which is equal to again power of power. So we can multiply both power, that is 3 power 5 3s are 15. So minus 15 into 3 power minus 5. So again product law, that is base values are equal, that is 3. So we can add both the power number, that is minus 15 plus minus 5. So both are in same sign. So we can add 3 power minus 20. So therefore our answer is 3 power minus 20. Then second question is minus 3 power 4 into 5 by 3 the whole power 4. So which is equal to, this one we can write minus 3 power 4 into this one 5 by 3 comma only one power. So we can multiply both numerator and denominator. So 5 power 4 divided by 3 power 4. So this one we can write 3 power minus 3 the whole power 4 mean minus 3 into 4 times, that is even number of times. So directly we can cancel this one. So which is equal to 5 power 4. Therefore our answer is 5 power 4. Next example 1.38. Find x so that minus 7 power x plus 2 into minus 7 power 5 equal to minus 7 power 10. So here unknown value x we need to find out. Here this one condition is given. This is equal, that is minus 7 power x plus 2 into minus 7 power 5 is equal to minus 7 power 10. So we can simplify, means we can get the value x. So here two power numbers, that is product law, both the power numbers base values are equal. So we know if the base values are equal mean we can add the power. So directly we can write this one minus 7, we can add both the power, that is x plus 2 then 5. This is first power number x plus 2 plus 5 equal to minus 7 power 10. Here both, here one power minus 7 power 1 power, here also minus 7 power 1 power value, if both the numbers are equal. So since base values are equal mean we can equate the exponent, that is since the base are equal, therefore we equate the exponents, that is power, which implies x plus 2 plus 5, that is equal to 10. That is this power value x plus 2 plus 5 equal to this side the power value 10. So which implies x plus 5 plus 2 7 equal to 10. So which implies x is equal to 10. This 7 we can take to the right hand side, minus 7. So which implies x equal to, when we subtract 10 minus 7, 3. Therefore our answer is x is equal to 3. Next exercise 1.6, third sum. First 3 sums questions assignment. Now we can do 4 and 5. Evaluate 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. Fifth question, 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. So first we can do the fourth question. Solution. What is given? Given 2 power minus 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 2 power minus 2. So which is equal to this one product. So we can write the product law. So 2 power minus 5 plus 7. We can add the power. Divided by 2 power minus 2. So which is equal to 2 power minus 5 plus 2. We can subtract 7 minus 5, 2. Divided by 2 power minus 2. So which is equal to what? 2 power 2 divided by 2 power minus 2. So again we can use the quotient law. So we can subtract, that is 2 power 2. When this denominator minus 2, we can take to the numerator, that is minus 2 becomes plus 2. So which is equal to 2 power 4. So 2 power 4 means 4 times we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So which is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Therefore our answer is 16. Next, fifth question. 2 power minus 1 into 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. So this one 2 power minus 1, the power value negative. So we can take to the denominator, that is 1 by 2 power 1 into 3 power minus 1 also 1 by 3 power 1 divided by this one 6 power minus 2 also we can take to the denominator, that is 1 by 6 square. So equal to this one we can multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator, that is 1 by 2 3s are 6, power value 1, that is 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 1 is 3. So 2 3s are 6 divided by 1 by 6 square. So this one we can write 1 by 6. This division we change into multiplication, mean take the reciprocal, that is 6 square. Then easily we can simplify. Here only one time, here only one time cancel. So which is equal to 6. Therefore our answer is 6. Next is fifth question. Evaluate. First question, 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 power 2. Second question is 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. Third question is 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3, the whole power 0. So we need to simplify. So write the first question, given 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 square. So which is equal to any number, the power value 1 mean, power value 0 mean we can write as 1. So 1 plus, instead of 5 power 0 we can write 1. 6 power minus 1 we can write 1 by 6. The reason is the denominator power, numerator power is negative, so that we can take to the denominator into 3 square. So which is equal to now addition, 2 numbers. How do you add 2 numbers? LCM. The LCM is 6. So cross multiply 6 plus 1 into 3 square. So which is equal to 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 6 into 3 square mean 2 times 3 into 3. So now we can cancel 3, 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6. So which is equal to 7 into 3 divided by 2. So 7 3s are 21. That is 21 divided by 2. Therefore the first question answer is 21 divided by 2. Second question, 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1. So which is equal to 2 power minus 1 we can write 1 by 2 plus 3 power minus 1 we can take the denominator, that is 1 by 3 divided by 6 power minus 1 we can write 6 power 1 by 6 plus 1 only. So which is equal to again plus. So we can take the LCM. LCM is 3 2s are 6. So cross multiply. Here 1 3 is 3. Here 2. Then divided by 1 by 6. So which is equal to 3 plus 2, 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. So we can simplify 5 by 6 into division, mean we can convert into multiplication, take the reciprocal. So 1 by 6 we can write 6. So denominator, numerator 6 get cancel, answer equal to 5. Therefore 2 power minus 1 plus 3 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 1 is equal to 5. What is the third one answer? One line answer only. Third question is 3 power minus 1 plus 4 power minus 2 plus 5 power minus 3, the whole power 0. So any number, the power value 0 mean we can write directly, we can write as 1. The answer is 1. So no need to simplify. The power value 0 mean we can write as 1.